Hey, welcome to the lesson. I'll be introducing exponential functions. Our essential question, what is an exponential equation? By the end of the lesson, you should be able to introduce exponential equations and model with exponential equations. Here we have a basic graph of an exponential function. And just like any other function, it will shift up and down the same way that any other function that we've discussed will shift left or right and left, and it can also be reflected on the axis as well. If we look at our basic parent function, our a now is the base, our k is the coefficient of x, and our h is the constant that can be added to x. So here is your parent function for exponential equations. Now, exponential equations have variables in the exponent. We've only talked about so far about equations that have variables with exponents, yes, but the variable itself is not in the exponent. For example, if I had y equals 2x, what's happening there? For every x, I'm going to add 2. So I'm adding 2 repeatedly. For example, if I did x times 4, if x was 4, and I did 2 times 4, I would get 8. In exponential equations, if I use what's being graphed right now, y equals 2 to the x, in exponential equations, instead of being added repeatedly, now the constant or the coefficient, the a value, is being multiplied. It's being multiplied repeatedly. So for example, if I have 2 to the 4th now, I'm going to get 16. And if I look on my graph, if I go to where x equals 4, I go all the way up here. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It would actually hit right about there. So what is an exponential equation? It's an equation with a variable in the exponent which allows the function to be multiplied repeatedly and thus grow faster than polynomial equations. Go ahead and try your homework. If you have any questions, reach out to me on BBIM, email, text, whatever is easiest for you. Meet me in the Math Cafe or any other teacher from 9 to 3, Monday through Friday. Our next lesson, we'll be talking about the specific properties of exponential equations.